Hey everyone, Dogmatic71 here, and welcome to Dogmatic DIY. Apologize, it's been a long time since I posted a video, but just haven't been really doing anything worth video, and I've been busy at my cottage and stuff like that, and doing a lot of grunt work, which isn't really worth videotaping. But I'm going to do a quick little video here showing you how to insulate your garage. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this Durafoam, see Durafoam here, and screen on one side, and almost looks like tinfoil, but silver on the other side. So I want the silver side in because it just looks nicer. So I did a quick little thing here. So what you want to do is, if you see my garage door, there's a lip here and then a lip here. So you take a measurement, you want to take a measurement here to inside. Okay, so you want it on the inside instead of on, because if you do it in the top and then you do it to the bottom here, then there's going to be a gap. So you want it to be able to slide and fit inside. So when you slide it in, it, as you can see, here I'll show you. See, it won't come out, front or bottom. So I have from the top of here to the top of here 20. So if I do 20, then that'll shove that in all the way to the top, and then I'll be able to slide it in, and then when it drops, it'll be still about half of this, right? So I made it a teeny bit more than 20. Unfortunately, my door is a little bit more than 4 feet. So I'm gonna take the extras. As you can see, I got little strap pieces. And what I'll do is I'll just slide this to this side, as I do have a gap in there, and I'll fill that in there and just put a little bit of insulation tape. You can do duct tape, anything that will stick to this, and stick them together, because this is going to make my garage much warmer. So the only thing you need to do is what I did is, because these sheets come in 4 feet by 8 feet, and I didn't want the styrofoam blowing in out the back of my truck 8 feet long, because it's so flimsy that it'll just snap. So actually somebody at Home Depot just allowed me to cut it there. So I just cut it in half to 4 feet, and then threw it in the back of my truck. So I guess I could have cut it to the exact width here if I wanted to, but then I would have been buying extra pieces. I would have had to buy so many extra. This way I only bought 3, and I'm still going to have extra. If I would have had to do that, then I wouldn't have had enough for this one. It would be double this distance on this side, so then I would have had to start a whole new sheet. So, and now you're pretty much doing, almost a sheet per, right? So, which is kind of a waste of money. So it's not that expensive. Here in Canada, these are only about 16 bucks a sheet, 17 bucks a sheet. It's probably way cheaper in the States. But that's all you do. So I'm going to show you the easy way to cut this. So let me get this ready. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this little mark. I did a measurement from this end, 20 inches to there. Did a couple marks there, right there, there. And then you just take your razor blade there. You'd rather have it sharp, because if you do a dull one, it's just going to tear. So then you just have to do a nice little slice. So I'm going to do a little slice, and then we'll show you what to do next. Okay, as you can see, I got a slice. It doesn't even have to go through. So all you do is, because it's styrofoam, is you just push on it. So I'm going to show you. Just hold that, and then see? And then all you do is you take your blade and go to the underside of it. and then just cut that line. So I'm going to cut it. Okay, now you see it's cut. Okay. I'll cut, and then what we'll do is, see, I'll slide it all the way in there. Once it's in there, if it's a little long, it's okay. Push it, see? See, now that's all the way in. Just give it a little bit. And there you go. Hey, now it's all in. Nice and easy. You can probably do this in an hour. And see, with the way where I live, I'm on, the wind blows right to my house. I'm at the end of the street. It's like a cul-de-sac. So when that wind blows, it blows straight to me. So me being at the end, all the cold air will come right to this garage door. So it freezes in here. So I have pop and beer and water in cases that if they're in my fridge, that's okay. Being not in my fridge, they'll freeze and then pop and expand and explode. So I'm trying to insulate a little bit better here so it doesn't get it. So hopefully those don't freeze this year. So I'll probably end up putting at the bottom too, I do have a piece of rubber stripping on the bottom of the door, but I might put something else down there just to block a little bit more of the air, and then hopefully that works. And that is the final product. You can see I did it, made it so tight that I don't even really need tape, as you can see. See? It's nice and snug in there. So if you got any questions, leave in the comment section below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified when I post another video. We'll talk to you later.